So I'm working on my daughter's four-wheeler here, and it's a little, I got it for a couple $100, and it works great for her. She's only 5. Now, the way this is supposed to work is you turn the key, and then you press the starter right here, electric start, and it's supposed to start up. But the problem I'm dealing with now, let me show you. So this little switch here is messed up, and the way it's supposed to work is there's this little spring, and this spring is once you depress this little button here, the spring is supposed to close and create contact and allow it to start. But this thing is messed up, so I went ahead and ordered a whole new switch. These are pretty cheap, like 20 bucks or something like that. We're gonna replace that and see if that fixes the problem. I think I got this on eBay or Amazon, I can't recall, but it's like $15 to $20, and it's the exact same thing. And it's got a light switch on it, it's got a kill switch, and it's got the same starter. And we're gonna go ahead and put that on here and just replace it all, and hopefully that works. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut some zip ties, and then we'll get in there and replace it. Okay, we got it on, so let's see if this thing works. So this is the kill switch. I'm gonna keep the kill switch on, I'm gonna turn the key. All right, key's on, but it's not starting up, that's a good thing. Gonna hit the kill switch button, and then we're gonna hit the starter. So it's definitely working now, and now I just gotta get it started. Hasn't been starting in a while. Kind of had a problem and just haven't got around to fixing it. I had to hook the battery charger up here. Battery kind of died, and that might have been the problem. But we're gonna go ahead and finish this up and zip tie it all up and mount it, and I'll show you guys how to do that. It's really easy. So you're just gonna need a Phillips head screwdriver. There's two screws in here. You just take them out. And there's a little nub right here. You can kind of see it. There's a little hole down here. It's where it's gonna go into. So you just kind of set it up like this. It goes in that nub, that hole, and you just put them in there. And it ain't going nowhere. Now we'll just put some zip ties on here and make it look a little bit cleaner and wait for it to charge. I got this key temporary on here because I don't have a place to put it right now. Right now it's fine for here, but eventually it's going to get put onto a different spot. All right, she's all charged up. Let's go ahead and turn it on and see what's going on. All right, we're gonna take her for a test drive. All right, well, hey, if you learned something, like and subscribe. Really appreciate that, and thanks for watching.